Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. I am back again with the revisional notes and video of social study. So today we are going to cover chapter 14, means of transport. Okay, students. So today we are explain exercise. My previous video explained how many types of transport. So three main types of transport, that means air transport, water transport and land transport. Means of transport are the way by which we move people and goods from one place to another place. Long ago, when none of the modern means of transport were there, people had to walk long distance. Later, they began using animals and then wheeled carts to carry people and goods. Now there are three main modes of transport, that means land transport, water transport and air transport. The form of transport that move on land, such as cars, trains and buses, are called land transport. The forms of transport that move on water, such as boats, ship and raft, are water transport. The forms of transport that fly in the sky, like aeroplanes and helicopters, are used for long distance. We use them when we want to reach a place quickly. Means of transport, the different way by which we move people and goods from one place to another. Draw, to pull something. Cart, or vehicles on two or four wheels pulled or pushed by people or animals. Ferry, a boat that travels regularly between two places. Raft, a means of water transport made by things locked together with rope. Okay. Now come to the exercise. Second, mark the following sentences as true or false. So first one, we did not have any means of transport before cars were made. False. Second one, land and water are the only two modes of transport. Do you know, students, land and water are the only two modes of transport? No. False. Third one, animals cannot be used to carry people from one place to another. False. Fourth one, trains run on railway track. Train runs on railway track. Do you know, students? Yes. Tree. True. Fifth one, we use aeroplanes when we want to reach a place quickly. True. Is that clear? Now come to the next question. Choose the correct option. Okay, choose the correct answer. So each questions of three option is only one option is right. So first one, tangas are drawn by. Option number A, horse, and option number B, bullock carts, and option number C, camels. So right answer is A, horse. Tangas are drawn by horse. Is that clear? Now second one, elephants are used to carry goods in. Option number A, rivers. Option number B, deserts. And option number C, forest. An elephant are used to carry goods in. Option number C is right answer, forest. Elephants are used to carry goods in forest. Is that clear? Third one, the metro rail is a type of transport found in. The metro rail is a types of transport found in. So option number A, village. Option number B, cities. And option number C is forest. Okay. So choose the correct option. Option number B is right answer. Cities. The metro rail is a types of transport found in cities. Is that clear? Now fourth one, this transport people and goods across river and lakes, ship, ferry, mule. Ferry. Option number B is right answer. Now fifth one, this is used to rescue people in hilly areas. This is used to rescue people in hilly areas. Okay. So option number A, ship. Option number B, aeroplane. And option number C is helicopter. Do you know, students, rescue areas help transport? Helicopter. Option number C is right answer. This is used to across people in hilly areas. Helicopter. Is that clear? Now next, answer the following question. Question number 4. Answer these following questions. Okay. So first one, what do we mean by means of transport? Give a few examples. Okay, students. So first question, the answer is the different way by which we move people and goods from one place to another place. Once again repeated, the different way by which we move people and goods from one place to another place. Is that clear? Now question number 2. Question number 2. In what way are modern means of transport better than the older ones? Okay. Modern means of transport faster than older ones. Modern means of transport faster than and older ones. Now third one, what are the 3 main modes of transport? What are the 3 main modes of transport? The answer is land. Do you know, students? 3 main modes of transport. Do you know? Okay. The answer is land transport, water transport, and air transport. Is that clear? Once again repeated, land transport, water transport, and air transport. Is that clear? Now fourth one, discuss the way in which we use animals as means of transport. Fourth questions, discuss the way in which we use animals as means of transport. Means of transport. Okay. The answer is animals are important means of transport. Tanga are small horse-drawn cart and bullock carts are drawn by oxen. Okay, once again repeated answer. Animals are important means of transport. Tangas are small horses drawn. Carts and bullock carts are drawn by oxen. Is that clear? Now fifth one. Name the means of transport used in village. Name the means of transport used in village. Bullock carts, tangas, elephant, mule, pony, tractors, or so on means of transport used in village. Okay. Now sixth one. What are the means of transport used on water? Do you know, students, what are the means of transport used on water? The answer is boats, ship, ferry are the means of transport. Boats, ship and ferry are the means of transport, okay, on water. Is that clear? Now seventh one. When do we usually travel by aeroplanes? When do we usually travel by aeroplanes? The answer is we use aeroplanes when we need to travel over long distance. Once again repeated answer. The answer is we use aeroplanes when we need to travel over long distance. Is that clear, students? If you did not completed it at so, please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay, students, so learn this chapter, question, answer and word meaning. Is that clear? And means of transport. Is that clear, students? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.